the topic we'll talk about is power electronics industrial solutions, the key to efficient manufacturing. I guess something you're specialized in. I hope so, at least.
Absolutely.
Okay, I've got a quote from Fairchild Semiconductor. If 1 million energy-efficient industrial fan motors replaced in efficient motors, enough power could be saved to eliminate one 300 megawatt power plant. Sounds fantastic, but how realistic is this replacement and this saving in your opinion?
Well, I think it's really realistic. I mean, the important thing is that all kinds of new motors are being installed all the time. And we're selling tens of millions of drives that really are saving gigawatts of energy. So the replacement market is not as large, but you could also take some relatively old motors and enhance them with new drive technology, and you could make them efficient as well.
Okay. Mm-hmm. So, and what can a company like Fairchild do to make this happen, to make the motors more, the drives more efficient?
Well, our business is power semiconductors and modules and power systems. So we make better. A little bit more specific. Okay. We're advancing IGBT technology, superjunction technology. We recently added silicon carbide to our portfolio, which we think will drive great efficiencies with the new bipolar transistor technology that we have in our product set. And smart power modules are really a great solution to simplify the design of the system.
Mm-hmm. So what are the main requirements in industrial electronics concerning the power electronics? What really matters in this area?
Well, the thing in industrial is you don't want the system to break. I mean, you want it to work. So the environment, industrial environment, is a rugged environment. It's a noisy environment. You've got a lot of heavy machineries often turning on and off and sending spikes down the line. You want power components that can survive that, and you want components that can handle malfunctions or misconnections or things like that. So rugged and reliable components with high quality. Of course, you want good performance and good cost as well.
Mm-hmm. I have read that you are, at Fairchild are talking about power electronics subsystems. What does it exactly mean, and what impact does these subsystems have on a complete industrial solution, on the complete drive?
Well, the products we offer mostly handle the power itself, handle the drive function, some elements of the control, some fault detection and diagnostics. So we do handle a lot of the system, but really our customer has to tailor that to their application. They have to provide application-specific software, algorithms, the controller often, and handle the regulatory compliance issues and the final assembly.
Mm-hmm. You have launched a lot of products here at PCIM. For industrial solutions, are they also suitable for other applications, or are they special tailored for the industrial market?
Well, a lot of our products are also used in automotive applications, for example. You could consider that another industry, but it's we treat that market a little separately, and sure. We take the high voltage devices like superjunction, IGBT, and modules, and we've applied those technologies for automotive specific solutions. And we also introduce many of our new designs. Our company focuses on mobile solutions for smartphones, handsets, and computing applications as well.
Mm-hmm. I guess I haven't mentioned the word efficiency so far, which is uncommon these days. So how important is efficiency in the industrial solutions? Does it really matter, or are there other topics that you have already mentioned?
Well, it varies. I think we consider the renewable energy part of the industrial environment. And the renewable energy folks, solar and wind, really care tremendously about efficiency. They're selling power, so you know every % lost is something taken away from their bottom line and top line. So it's very important for them. And in general, I think across the realm of industrial drives, it matters. It saves cost, and it saves size and weight, and provides much better system performance overall.
Okay. You promise your customers efficient products. What about your own manufacturing? How efficient is the manufacturing for your own products?
Well, one of the plants, one of our back-end assembly plants, has cut their electricity consumption 40% over the last 10 years, and the actual output of that factory has increased. So we've done things like timers on HVAC and lighting and efficient lights, CFLs and linear fluorescence, of course. We've installed variable speed drives, fan filter units that use variable speed drives in our air filtration systems, and so overall, I think we've done a lot. One of our sites actually purchased, I think it was 1 gigawatt hour of wind power. So I guess we're making a contribution that way.
So, and of course you're using your own products in there.
We have some products in wind power, but we'd like to have a bigger share.
Okay. So thank you very much, Dan Kinzer, Fairchild Semiconductor.